Thanks so much for coming, Mark.
Thanks for having me, Anna. This is the drain.
This is the drain. We've been here for about 6 years and it's been slowly sinking over time. At this point, our garage is over there and we're starting to get worried that it's going to damage our cars as we come in and out because it's so low. And we have 2 small children and we have to be really careful when they're outside and watch them so they don't trip and fall in, and it would be great to not worry about that.
All right, well, this is a drywell drain, as I'm sure you already know. And what it does is collects the water that comes from basically as much of the driveway as possible. So we have a high spot over here that pitches in. Behind me is another high spot, and of course by the garage, another high spot. So everything wants to flow into this drain. So I'm actually very happy with its location. The first thing we want to do is take that grate out and start digging. A lot of leaves and debris. And I know it's been clogged before with leaves, but once you move the leaves, everything slips through.
Yeah, once we're able to clean it out, the drainage hasn't been an issue.
Okay, well, we're gonna wanna clean more of it out. But right now I wanna get this frame out. So all I'm doing with this frame, Anna, I know there's a lip somewhere on this frame, and I just got to get down to that. Okay, great. No pun intended. All right. Oh, this is in great shape. So this will be great to reuse. All right, now we got to find out where the failure happened. And I'll just clean out as I go. All right, well, look what we found. We got the brick that are all busted up right here. That correlates with our problem over here. This was the deepest spot that we found. And look at these brick over here. They're actually intact and where they're supposed to be. And of course, correlate the damage. We have minimal damage over here. So we know what we're up against right now. I just want to see if I can take that brick out. That brick, all right. I also found cinder block, which is great because now I know that's set on a footing, and that's the manhole, if you will, that we have below this brick. So the next thing I want to do is cut out all this bad asphalt. All right, now all I want to do is rinse off existing work. Now that the demo's done, we want to start the rebuild. And to do that, we're going to start with brick. So all those brick that we took out that we didn't really like, I'm going to replace them with new ones. You know, all the debris we took out, all the sediment, all the sand, all the dirty gravel, we're going to replace that with some nice fresh gravel. After that, we're going to take this type S cement. That's going to give us some strength right around our new setting. And after that, we are going to use the asphalt. We're going to put that all around our cut. And again, we're going to try to blend that in as much as we can with the existing asphalt.
Sounds great.
All right, let's get going. So you're going to spread that mortar right there. There's a brick. Wiggle it right into place. Exactly.
Is that the right spot for it?
That's perfect. Now, herein, I'm going to ask you to throw this brick in for me. I'm going to go right there. You're just going to bridge right across. Yeah. But you want to go...
Like that?
Yes.
Okay.
Remember, we're keeping our height. Thank you. Good move. Now what I'm going to do is take the back side of my trowel and I'm just going to stucco this up a little bit, mainly because it'll add strength for us. I'll do this side, you do that side. That's great right there. If you would give me that string, put it right there. I'm going to go across. And I could throw a tape down right now, but I know this is the flow that I want. This is the measurement. I use my hand, And again, from existing pavement into my grate, I know that I have the right pitch. That's going to help the existing asphalt stay in place. Thank you. Nice job, Anna. All right, Anna, what do you think?
It looks fantastic, and I don't think we're gonna have to worry about the cars or the kids falling in anymore, which is really exciting.
That's always a good thing, exactly. So with the car, if you can, just stay off of this area for a couple weeks, let this guy set up a little bit, and then as I may suggest you seal the driveway as well. It's good for the driveway, number one, but also if we bring it into this grate, it'll make that patch go away.
Sounds good.
All right, well, thank you.
Thank you so much.
Bye, Anna.
Thanks for watching. This Old House has got a video for just about every home improvement project, so be sure to check out the others. And if you like what you see, click on the subscribe button to make sure that you get our newest videos right in your feed.